Whose truck is this? I don't know. Let's go check it out. I wonder if they left it unlocked. Whose is it? It's Mars. I wonder where he put his keys.
You want to go see if we can sneak in?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Think he'll notice?
I hope not.
Matt, why do you still have that helmet on?
Thinking what I'm thinking? What are we going to tell him, though? Just tell him there's his car. Perfect. Let's go. Hey, Mars.
Yeah.
I need to put my car in the garage and you're just blocking it. Can we see your keys?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Here.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Rookie mistake.
Who's that?
2 teenagers. Both have their licenses. Do the math.
Oh, man. Hey, wait up! Huh. Are you kidding me? Wait!
There he is! See ya!
No! Stop!
Oh my goodness, Mars, I didn't expect you to run out of the house like that. There's a towel for you.
Thanks.
It's pouring down rain.
I know. It's the things you gotta do for these videos. Are they actually stealing my car?